So I'm gonna be using my little salon practice hand. I just gotta pop off these nails that I was just playing around with. Dude, there's something alright. Okay, so we cleared the nails and I buffed them, so now we're gonna start. Okay, we move workspaces. So now we're gonna glue on the nails with this. Okay, so I got the nails glued on. I couldn't use this stuff. Oh my god, I was using the wrong thing. No wonder it wasn't. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm stupid. I can't believe I was using the wrong thing, but I ended up using my maximum speed nail glue from Kiss, but we got all the nails on. I'm gonna have to try like the thumbnail or something. I was gonna skip it, but now that I realized I was using the wrong one, I have to try it. Okay, that totally worked. Yeah, so use that, not the activator. I take it back. I'm using the glue. Okay, so now we're gonna brush on this gel and dip it in here. We're gonna start like right here, brush it down, dip, then a little bit higher, brush it down, dip, a little bit higher, brush it down, dip, etc. So I've done those two and I shaped them. I've done that one, I have not shaped it yet, but I'm gonna kind of show you what I'm doing on this nail. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. So I'm gonna get the gel applicator, get a good amount, and we're gonna start it right behind the tip and drag it all the way down. Then, this is gonna be hard to do with one hand. I'm putting it upside down and dipping it in. And then you can see how the product is built up there. And then like the next row, after this dries, I'm gonna give it like 15 or so seconds. You just start it a little bit farther back and you keep marking your way back. And what I'm doing is I'm putting on like less layers towards this end as I'm working up this way so that we can get that little bounce. Okay, so I shaped them all. And so now we're just gonna seal them up with the activator, which will make them like nice and hard like the acrylic. Okay, so this is what we have so far. All of the square ones are really smooth. This pointed one, when I was shaping, I guess the middle got a little chunky, so like a layer must have ripped off or something, so it doesn't look so good. But the end of it really does. Everything else looks so good. I'm gonna wait for it to dry for a little while, and then I'm gonna paint it. Okay, so I painted them. This is the final result. I am not happy with that nail at all, but I'm actually okay with these. They obviously need to be cleaned up a little bit around the cuticle, but the shape of them looks so good. Like, look at that shape.